Now the first thing is, what is multiple timeframes in Confluence? We ended up 6% in the premium Discord last week. Keep your mind busy, stay productive, and go work on something else. We should see this M15 demand get hit. That's why we went ahead and marked it down tonight, because I want to go ahead and start paying attention to it more. And I'm ready for another profitable week in the markets. Good morning, everyone. We're having a little bit of a late start today. It's already past 10:30. I have a lot of videos I need to film for the group today. I got to do some packing because I'm supposed to be moving, I want to say on Saturday. So I have quite a few things I need to get done, but I'm just going to go ahead and vlog a little bit today. Here's some of the stuff that we are going to be talking about in the free section. So I can't wait to go ahead and drop this for you guys. Look at this pimple too, guys. This shit is crazy. It's been here for like a week and a half, 2 weeks. It is not going down. It is not going away, but shit's crazy big. But we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start filming some of this stuff right now since it's already 10:39, and I will pick up the vlog after. Now we're gonna be talking about multiple time frames in Confluence. Now the first thing is, what is multiple time frames in Confluence when trading supply and demand? To the push right there, so we would go ahead and we would mark this. We ended up 6% in the premium Discord last week, so all the members had a great week. And I'm definitely super excited to be live trading again. I loved live trading. I loved having a group, so I'm happy that I launched it again. This is actually gonna be the first Sunday session we're doing again. And tonight I'm gonna be talking about payouts, the psychology of payouts, stuff like that. So it's gonna be super interesting, and that's actually going to start in like 33 minutes. I'm going to answer 2 questions real quick that you guys have asked me on Instagram. The first question is, how do I deal with losses? And you guys will know how I deal with losses if you are in the Discord, but the way I deal with losses is I go ahead and I do not place another trade. Normally it's only going to be 1 trade a day for me and that's it. But if I take a loss, I'm 100% not taking another trade. And I know I could possibly make my money back plus more. I'm not even going to risk losing more, to be honest. I'm going to take the 1 L day and then I'm going to move on with my day. I'll turn off my computer and then I'll just go work on something else, no matter if that's editing, you know, filming a video, working on other stuff for the group, anything. Because when you just sit there and look at the charts, especially if you had a red day, your mind's going to go crazy and stuff, and you're going to want to revenge trade. And that's what leads a lot of people on blowing their accounts, losing a lot of money, stuff like that. So the best way to deal with your losses is turn your computer off, keep your mind busy, stay productive, and go work on something else. The second question is, what do I use to edit my videos? I use CapCut on the desktop or on my laptop. Honestly, it's super beginner friendly, super easy to use. I'm definitely not the best at editing, but honestly, I'm just going to keep on getting better and better the more I use it. But if you guys are looking for a super simple free software that you could edit on, I definitely recommend CapCut. It gets the job done. I just got done filming a few videos for the free course. In about 30 minutes, I'm doing a call with the premium members, so I'm looking forward to that. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing a little bit because I am moving this Friday or Saturday. Now for the next 1 to 2 hours, I am just going to be editing. We're waiting for these files to upload. That multiple time frames in Confluence is gonna be for the free group, and that Sunday session is going to be for the premium members. I went over the markets and kind of what we're expecting for this week. Already getting a nice rejection off this H4, H1 level of supply up here. We should see this M15 demand get hit. That's why we went ahead and marked it down tonight, because I want to go ahead and start paying attention to it more. This is definitely going to be like a shorter video. I've just been busy with the packing and stuff today, and now I'm going to be editing, so that's going to be pretty boring. Premium members did get some value today, and I'm ready for another profitable week in the market. So I'm going to go ahead and get this editing knocked out. Then I'm going to pack a little more, and then I'm going to hit the sheets, wake up early, get a nice workout in, and then hop on the call with the members.